So for this week, we're going to be revamping our about page, our covers, our banners, and our profile pictures. So if your banner does not have the name of your channel or anything like that, today you're going to change it. This week you're going to change it. We're also going to go into the about page, the about part of your profile, and we're going to go write what your page is about. And if you don't know how to write this, ChatGPT is your friend, okay? But make sure it's rich with keywords and keywords about your channel. And you can find keywords on vidIQ or TubeBuddy. I'm definitely going to show you how to do this. So you're going to revamp it. Now you're going to determine what the colors of your brand is. What are your brand colors? Do you have a logo that you would like to impute? And all of this and all of these nice things. Okay, so we want to create an amazing presence for your channel. Also, we're going to go into your channel tags and we're going to add keywords to those, okay, because your channel tags are important. So we're going to add keywords to your channel tags. That's another thing that we're going to be doing this week. So I'm going to show you where those channel tags are, where your about page is, and how to get those keywords. All right, so when you come to your profile, when you come to your channel, you go into customization. All right, and then here's the profile. So you want to make sure you have a good profile picture that does not cut out anything, okay? And then your banner. All right, then your name. Please make sure that your name has something to do with your channel. So if you're talking faith, let there be faith. If you're talking motherhood, let there be motherhood. So make sure that it is talking something about your channel. Okay, now the description of your channel. Now you want to add an amazing description for your channel. So you go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to provide you a channel description and describe what your channel is about, and ChatGPT will generate some for you. Now you tweak that into your own language. Now don't copy it directly from ChatGPT and paste it in your about. You tweak it. Okay, let it speak like you. Okay, and then you definitely add your email if you don't have your email there. If you have any links like your website, right, your social media links or any of that, you go ahead and add it plus your email. Now for the video watermark, okay, if you have a watermark, so a watermark is something maybe like a logo that you would like to appear in all of your videos. So if you want this logo to appear in all of your videos, okay, this is where you're going to put it. So you're going to click upload and you're going to upload that logo. Now we're going to go to the home tab, okay, and the home tab has where you can, re-strategize, restructure your channel. So over here in the layout, it says customize the layer channel homepage with up to 12 sections. So this channel trailer for people who have not subscribed. So if someone that is not subscribed to your channel comes onto your channel, what is the first video that they're going to see? And I always encourage you to put a welcome video to introduce your channel to them. Okay, so if you don't have anything here, you click these three buttons, okay? So you can either click change video if there's nothing there, okay, or remove video. But of course, we're not trying to remove the video. So you do change video, okay, and you put a welcome video. So if you have not recorded a welcome video on your channel, today is the day to record one. All right. Now this one says featured videos for returning subscribers. So what are your subscribers going to see when they return to your page? Whenever they click on your channel, what are they going to see? And of course, you're going to go ahead and do the same thing, change video, okay, or add a video. So this page I've shown in one of my videos, this is what your viewers see when they come to your channel. So in my channel, they first of all see the For You, okay, what YouTube recommends based off of their interests, right? And then the popular videos, and then the videos, the short videos. So this is what it looks like, okay? I'm just going to open that so you can see what it looks like. So you can see what it looks like. It looks like For You, all right? And then popular videos, then videos generally according to how I have posted them, and then shorts, playlists, and then past live streams. Okay, I'm going to be telling you guys something about playlists in later dates. Okay, so you want to go ahead and organize that. It is very, very important for you to do that. If you go to the settings of your channel, okay, you will see, you'll click on this channel, okay, and then you will see the keywords. All right, you can see the keywords, right? So one way to find keywords, okay, is to go to vidIQ. So if you do not have vidIQ installed on your computer or on your mobile phone, I need you to install it now. Okay, so we can go to vidIQ, all right, and we say keyword inspector. So go ahead here and type what your channel is about. Okay, side hustle. And you can see all the keywords that vidIQ has provided. Okay, so you want to go for the ones that are orange and the ones that are green. Okay, so do that. So another way to search for channel tags is to, when you go to YouTube and you click on the video that is ranking highest in your niche, all right, you open it, vidIQ will show you on the right side here the channel tags, and it will show you the video tags. Okay, so go ahead and copy these channel tags and add them to your own tags if you are able to come up with tag ideas. Okay, but I always advise this because they're already there. Okay, so they already know the tags to use. So go ahead and use those tags, right? And copy them. Also video tags. When you put a video, when you post a video that is similar to that niche, you copy the tags here and you use that video tag. So that is also super important. All right. So the assignment for this week is to create your about page, okay? Your banners, your profile images, all right? I know it's not a lot, right? Is it? And also your channel tags, all right? And everything that I have mentioned in this video. All right, I'll see you in the next video.